Hello. This is a short vlog today. I went to the grocery store and they had the broccoli I like on sale for normally they're $5 a bag. They were $1.50. So I thought I'd just show you how I use broccoli each morning to make a pretty healthy breakfast. And the bag I just had, I just pulled from the freezer and now it's in the microwave warming up, and I just pounded some walnuts. And back in the microwave it goes for about 2 minutes or so. I'll now season this with a bit of salt, some black pepper, some ginger, and a bit of a turmeric blend. Now crushed walnuts, bit of olive oil, and that's it. And this is my staple meal, breakfast meal during the holiday season and way into the spring months. I alternate vegetables depending on what's available, but it's highly nutritious, anti-inflammatory, and overall it's pretty delicious. I'm on babysitting duties this afternoon and I'm so excited. My daughter and son-in-law are heading out for a Christmas lunch date, and I thought I'd make one of my favorite holiday indulgences to take along with me. roasted peanuts, roasted pumpkin seeds,
Raise your hand if Christmas is your favorite time of year. Sleigh bells ring and children sing while music fills the air. Lift your voice and share the joy in life without a care. And raise your hand if Christmas is your favorite time of year. Raise your glass if Christmas is your favorite time of year. Together with the ones you love, they all will guide
The snow bakes at 300 degrees for about 15 minutes.
so glad that you are here. And raise your glass if
And it'll now
Christmas
dry
is your
out for
favorite
about
time
3
of
hours or
year.
so. And the broccoli is now cooling so that I can place in freezer bags for breakfast for the duration of December.
I've got a gift for you. I hope it fits you perfectly. Raise your voice if Christmas is your
And last but not least, some dried
bells ring, children
cranberries.
sing for everyone to hear. Girls and boys out sharing toys while music fills the air. So raise your voice if Christmas is your favorite time of year. Share a toast with one and all, so glad that you are here. And raise your glass if Christmas is your favorite time of year. Lift your voice and share the joy and laugh without a care. And raise your
Thank
hand
you
if
so much for
Christmas
watching.
is your favorite
Have
time of
a
year.
wonderful day, evening, and I'll see you soon.